Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you the orange twist lemonade recipe. This is a very easy recipe that is made from three major ingredients: the Monin triple sec syrup, the non-alcoholic triple sec syrup, freshly squeezed orange juice, and light lemonade. So I have here my triple sec syrup, my tall glass which is already filled with some ice, and then my cocktail shaker. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in 20 ml of the triple sec syrup into my shaker. My shaker already has some ice, and then I'll go in with 3 ounces of fresh orange juice. Into that, I'm finally going to go in with 4 ounces, which is 120 ml light lemonade. I'm going to close my shaker and give it a good shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. After shaking, I'm just going to go ahead and strain in my drink into my tall glass that's already filled with ice. If this recipe and every other recipe you see on this channel interests you, please feel free to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and drop us a comment down below. I'm just going to go ahead and garnish with a wheel of a lemon and an orange slice. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye guys.